In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Shopify app on laptop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find, add, and install an app to your Shopify store from your laptop, with a few tips to help you choose confidently. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to admin.shopify.com. This is the secure login page for your Shopify admin. Sign in with your store's email and password, then click Login. For privacy, never read credentials out loud, and make sure you're on the official Shopify domain before entering them. Once your Shopify dashboard loads, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Apps. This is your central hub for managing the tools and integrations that expand your store's features. If you want to explore curated options before searching, you can choose All Recommended to see suggestions tailored to common use cases. This can be helpful if you're not sure exactly which app you need. Next, click Shopify App Store. This opens the official marketplace where you can discover thousands of verified apps. At the top, use the search bar to enter the exact name of the app you're looking for. Then press Enter. If you're unsure of the exact name, type a few keywords related to the function you need, like email marketing or SEO, and review the results carefully. From the search results, click the app listing that matches what you want. On the app page, take a moment to review the description, screenshots, pricing, and user reviews. Look for clear explanations of features, recent updates, and whether there's a free plan or trial. Checking this now helps avoid surprises later. When you're ready, click Add App. Shopify will redirect you back to your admin and show a permissions screen. This page outlines exactly what the app can access, such as orders, products, or customer data, so you can make an informed decision. Verify that the permissions make sense for the app's purpose. Confirm you're installing to the correct store in the URL bar, and ensure you recognize the developer. If everything looks good, click Install App. After installation, you'll be taken to the app inside your Shopify admin. Many apps offer a quick onboarding or setup wizard. Follow those prompts to configure the basics, or return later from the Apps section whenever you're ready. You can always manage, uninstall, or adjust permissions for apps from that same apps area. That's it. You've successfully found, added, and installed a Shopify app on your laptop. If this walkthrough helped, you're all set to enhance your store's capabilities with the tools that fit your goals.